Today I have come down to country Victoria to drive the brand new Nissan X-Trail. Now this is the 5-seater TIL model, but it's also available as a 7-seater in the lower spec models. Let's find out how good it is as a baby drive. In the back of the X-Trail there are ISOFIX in the 2 outer rear seats and top tether anchorages for all 3 rear seats. For the outer seats they're on the back of the seat back, and for the central seat it's in the ceiling above the boot space. Now I'm pretty sure I'd get 3 InfoSecure child seats across the back here. I've only got the versatile folding booster seat with me today, but when I have the X-Trail to test with my family I'll try it with the full extensive InfoSecure range. Now I'm pretty sure that I would also be able to fit a rear facing InfoSecure child seat here with a 180cm driver in front, but again I'll test that then. And legroom is great in here too. The central footwell hump has been reduced so I could sit in the central seat really comfortably. Rear passengers are really well catered for back here. There's USB sockets in the back of the central console box, and you've got heated seat controls there too, as well as rear aircon vents. So the X-Trail, this model has built-in rear window blinds, which is lovely to see in an SUV of this size. Great for shielding your little ones in the back from the sun while you're driving along. The X-Trail has an easy one-touch open and close button, which is really nice and handy. Now the boot space here seems really nice and large. I can fit this pram in here easily, and there's a nice big storage space beside it. Now the boot floor has dividers that you can either use to divide the boot up, so maybe have your shopping in one area and your kids' swimmers in the other, or you can remove those all together and you've got a much deeper boot. The new Nissan X-Trail comes with a 12.3-inch media screen with wireless Apple CarPlay and great clear cameras with a digital 360-degree around view monitor. Now I drove this yesterday in the Melbourne commuter traffic and also out on the open road. I found it's really good in both. The visibility is really good and it doesn't feel huge in the traffic and around town, which I really liked. So I said visibility is good. I think even with child seats in the back there, you'd still see nicely out of that rear window. The turning circle's also really good with the X-Trail, so I found parking and manoeuvring and things like that really nice and easy. So I think it would be a good one for the school run. Now it's really nice and comfortable in the front here. Fine as the driver, the seating position's really nice and kind of surrounded by the dash and the central console, so it feels a little cockpit-like. I really like the central console bridge. I've got somewhere to store my handbag there, so that's really nice. And also these leather seats are really nice and comfortable and easy to adjust. Now road noise is really good in this X-Trail. I don't find there's much road noise or wind noise, so that's really nice because there's normally enough noise going on in the back with my kids. And also it's a nice smooth ride and it seemed to cope with kind of rough roads and potholes really well. I've really enjoyed driving the new Nissan X-Trail. I'll be putting it through our full baby drive testing in the coming months, so look out for our full baby drive review.